Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to build a side hustle using the free AI tools step by step. Let's get started. First, all you can do is to open the ChatGPT to generate your business idea. Here you can type a prompt like this. Give me a profitable online side hustle ideas that I can start for free. Then here, choose one idea and use the ChatGPT to create your content and offers, such as the product description, service listings, and social media content. You can use also the Canva to design your branding and visuals like the logos, presentations, posts, and ads. And after that, create videos using tools like CapCut or Pictory to promote your side hustle. Here you can also use the 11 Labs for the voiceovers and make your content more engaging. You can post your content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to attract the customers. And finally, stay consistent and improve your strategy and scale your side hustle over time. And that's it. That's how you build a side hustle using the free AI tools from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.